Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. Dear student, we will see today the topic regarding noise pollution. Now, in noise pollution, first of all, we will see the introductory part. So, dear students, in today's video, we will see the noise pollution. Now, first of all, we will see what is noise pollution. Sound is a physical disturbance in a medium such as gas, liquid or solid, which can be detected by human ear. Noise is a wrong sound at wrong place at wrong time. Noise is thus an unwanted and unpleasant sound. Noise pollution may be defined as unwanted sound released into the atmosphere without any concern to the adverse effects it may have, or the unwanted noise released into the environment and affecting our lives adversely. Though sound is an integral part of our lives, but its high intensity has a great physical and physiological effects which can be extremely damaging. It has been estimated that if sound of high intensity has emitted by supersonic jet planes, automobile horns, industrial machines, radios and loudspeakers continues for a prolonged period, it may cause temporary or permanent damage to the hearing with several other side effects. As such, in today's highly mechanized world, noise pollution has assumed alarming and frightening proportions. The condition is more severe in third world countries like India, where noise pollution is not accounted under the Environment Protection Act. World Health Organization, that is WHO, has recommended the noise levels for different localities of the city. Now, which are being recorded or permissible limits of noise levels in different localities of the city. Now, number one is hospitals and educational institutions or churches, etc. These are regarded as the silence zones. And here, during the day, the noise level in decibels is 45, whereas during the night it's 35. Second is residential zone. In residential zone, during the day, the noise level in decibels permitted is 55, and that during the night is 45. Number third, in commercial shopping zones, during the day, permissible noise level in decibels is 65, whereas during the night is 55. Number fourth is industrial zone. In industrial zone, during the day, noise level permitted in decibels is 75, whereas during the night it's 65. Now,